In this video, I'm going to show you how to make another Instagram account. So what you'll have to do first is simply go and open your Instagram. In here, you'll have to go to the bottom right corner and click on your profile. You should find yourself here. So in here, you can go to the top left. And as you can see, you'll find here your username. Click on that drop-down menu and you should find Add Instagram Account. Go and click on that. And here, you'll be able to log into an existing account or create a new account. We'll have to choose the second option. And here we are. We will have just to go through the steps of creating an account, and you can do that by your own because it's going to be different from one into another. So, for example, it just starts by simple username. I'm just going to choose like tester, some numbers right there. Click on next. And as you can see, you'll be able to share in your login account center. Click on continue or just create a password instead. Just go and use a password. Click on next, add an email or phone. Click on next, and you will have an account ready to use. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.